What's good, everybody? I am starting a new series. It's gonna be a Falcons just like rebuild, kind of going until they win a championship or a Super Bowl. And I mean, this is their roster right now. I'm gonna make some changes to their roster. I do have. I do want to get rid of Kirk Cousins because I have Michael Penix, who is 73 overall, one overall lower. So I think I'm gonna start off by trading Kirk Cousins and Tyler Algier, see what I can get for them. Um, Basically nothing else though, because I don't really know who else I could trade. And the reason why I'm trading Tyler Algier is just because, like, I have Bijan. I don't need Tyler Algier. I only have 3 trade offers. Let's see if I can get another player in there. Like, just another player that I don't need, like Ray McLeod. I'm gonna do. Let's add Ray in there. See what's up there for the offers. I do like this Kayvon Thibodeau. I don't know who's our left outside linebacker. But basically none of those are working. So it's not a good. So we've got quarterback right here, running back Tyler Algier, and then what about Rondell Moore? Let's look at this. Mike McGlinchey is a pretty good, but how old is he? 29. Decent age. Braden Smith is even better. I think that taking Braden Smith here is the smartest move, but Kayvon Thibodeau. Who's the left outside linebacker? Okay, I can work with that. I don't really know what to do here, but I think first up, I'm gonna I'm just gonna get Kayvon Thibodeau because he's a young guy. I mean, he's better than the left outside linebacker that I have, and I'm also getting a 4th round pick, but it's only a 4th round pick there. Yeah, I mean, 4th round pick is not all that great, but it'll work. So now if I go over here, this is the team that I'm working with. Tight end, secondary sucks, but our offense is better than defense. Okay. Even though this defense kind of looks better overall. What is he doing? He should. One of these guys should play over at small forward. One of these safeties. I'm gonna look and see which one is better. Bro. Where do I do that? Oh, right here. He gets worse. Oh wait, because I changed him to corner. He stays the same. I'm just gonna keep him right there. Okay. Okay. So this is the team. Offensive line's looking pretty good. Wideouts are looking pretty good. Starting halfback is pretty good. Michael Penix, good. Ooh, I need to get a free agency quarterback. Manage roster. Free agent. Quarterback is what I need. I might take that. I might take David Bakhtiari. Oh wow. Just go for one of the younger ones, I would say. I mean, I'll pick him up. And then I think I'll also take Michael Pratt. He's young. Okay. So now I'll go back to top 100. See, David Bakhtiari is a pretty good pick to choose here, but I don't think I need a left tackle. That's the thing. So, I'm just gonna advance the week. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to look at the lineup one last time. Yeah, we don't need a left tackle. Okay, so we good. The sim to the regular season. Them ahead. And first game, we will be playing the Steelers. Okay. This. I think. No. I want to do like from here. The 2025. I think this one's a good one. Let's download that. Okay. Yeah. Where? Yo. Corner? Where's Travis Hunter? Yeah. Am I missing something? Cause I don't see him anywhere. The top 5 are all quarterbacks. What the heck? Well, that's all positions. Here we go. See, like, I don't see Travis. Is this him? Torrey Horton. I'm gonna check who. If Torrey Horton is the guy. Dang. Well, but I don't even know where Travis Hunter is then. Or even Ashton Genty. Wow. But, I mean... Okay. Set the season goal. And, I'm gonna try to make the playoffs. Obviously, we want to win the Super Bowl, but... I don't know if that'll happen this first year. Hopefully it will. Okay. Let's hop in. Just auto upgrade all of them. And we will hop into this game. Week 1 versus the Pittsburgh Steelers. Come out with a win, hopefully. I'll be running a lot, but we also got good wide receivers. So I'm gonna try to use both. Even though Bijan's a beast. I don't know how he's only a 90 over. He was like a top 3 running back in fantasy this year, so.
Here's the punter, Bradley Pinion, to get this one going. And we're underway in Atlanta.
Dang.
Cordarrelle Patterson, now
Let him get to the 29, not that good. I'm not that good at defense.
He's tackled at the 29. So the Steeler offense getting out there for its opening drive of the game. Leading them out to man in his 13th NFL season. And
That was just a horrible pass.
Russell Wilson.
I don't know what he was doing there.
I know he has a smile on his face as he runs out with a new season ripe with every possibility. This is only the first scene of a 4.5-month movie where he could be playing the part of the league MVP and maybe leading a legit contender into the postseason.
Oh, come on.
Campaign, though,
We gotta tackle him there.
have a massive impact on how things play out.
And he found some running room for a nice gain. A solid
Man.
8-yard gain there, and now they're going to have 3rd and 2.
Some backs are easier to tackle than others. Some, well, they just choose violence. They look for those opportunities to bust through tackles and keep those legs
That was a
moving.
complete mess up by me.
A 3rd down run with Harris. And he'll get it up to the 44.
I messed up there.
That one ends up a gain of 6. And that's a Steelers' first down.
The kitty.
From the gun, it's Wilson.
Dang.
Snared by his running back. It's
Not that good of a play by me.
14 yards and a new set of downs. They'll head up 1st and 10 from the 42.
He just
From the
juked me
gun,
out
they go
there.
with Harris. By a man, and now he's in the
We're just
clear.
letting them
And they
run
catch
all
up to him,
over.
but not
All over
until
me.
he's got a huge
I'm just
gain
letting them
and
run
a
over
first down.
all over me. Oh, God.
They send the tight end in motion.
He held on to that.
Working inside the red zone.
It wasn't that hard of a hit.
And he's brought down after a short gain.
Yo, where did Pat Fryermuth go, though? He's not hurt. Because this is after the season, and nobody is hurt after the season because they update it like that.
And he's tackled with the first down yardage.
Well,
That's just great instincts. Go air it out on 2nd down rather than just play conservative and run it. They hit a weak point in the coverage and don't need to worry about 3rd down at all.
And he's into the end zone. Touchdown,
Alfred.
Pittsburgh. The Steelers finish up an excellent opening series.
wow.
George Pickens, the touchdown.
I haven't played this game in a while.
And the kick is good. And we're going to have some extra yardage added to the kickoff on the roughing call. So they tag him for roughing the kicker. And now this kickoff's going to come from the 50. Let's see if they lock it.
Let that go. Okay, first time up on the offense. Passing it here.
Brown had the Falcons for their first possession.
Just
And they'll be led out by the 8th pick in the draft. The lefty who led your alma mater,
Get that in.
Washington,
Get
to
that
the national
pass.
championship
Is
game.
he in?
Michael Penix Jr.
No.
Look, there are pressures that come along
Okay.
with being a first-round pick. You're expected to lead your team.
Run with
You're able to
Bijan
do
here.
things right away, no matter the situation you're drafted into. To his credit, he hasn't shied away from any of those
Dang.
pressures. He's been the guy that
Steelers'
leads off the
defense is
field.
pretty good.
Now we finally get to see what he can do on it.
He locates a couple of yards through that chaos. Minka Fitzpatrick in on the stop. A less than ideal.
It just said lob it to Kyle Pitts. So I don't know why I did that because he was not open. But the Madden way, I always go for it.
Seeing some early game planning at work
I don't
here,
really
Rocket.
care.
Quick
I just
to
always
attack
go
that
for it.
throw and break it up.
So,
Yeah, this defense
I'm
knows
going
the
for it.
importance This offense places on throwing the ball to their tight ends, and they were ready for it and all over it.
run for that first.
4th down, here's
Got the
Penix.
first. I messed up my mic.
He's on
but
the move.
Got the first down.
He's gonna get this up to the 45 before he's brought down.
Run with Bijan here.
13-yard pickup, and no worry at all on their side from being able to reach that marker on 4th down. That was impressive.
Wow. They're really stuffing the run.
He swarms in the middle. This gets maybe a yard. Peyton Wilson getting there for the stop.
Gotta look at the
They'll
play.
come to the line here.
Okay.
2nd and 9.
Drake London over the middle. Got hit while throwing. No.
Throwing over the middle, but it's incomplete.
Verticals.
Throw intended for
Going
Drake
for
London.
Kyle Pitts
That's gonna leave him with a
on the
tough
under.
3rd and long.
I always go for him there. Because he always gets open. Usually gets open, I should say. Because that time he was not open. He wasn't able to break away like he usually does.
And he'll be brought down after
But
getting to the 47-yard line.
You can earn your money in the NFL
I'm
in
gonna
all
do
sorts of different
bench.
ways, but defensively, in a league where you're just not hitting
Bench.
as much in training camp,
It's
you're not
kind
hitting
of
as much as they
a
got to in the
bad
old days,
play.
and you can make a play in the open field, keep it short
Yeah, I
and
just
fast.
got sacked.
Promise you some money will
Okay.
And all their pressure
24
gets it
seconds
done.
left
That's a
in the
sack on
first
4th down as
quarter.
they force the
And I
turnover.
have not scored.
Ball on the
And they've
45,
scored a
1st and
touchdown.
10.
I'm trying my best.
Russ looking to throw. Hits him on the out route. And he's tackled after gaining a handful. After a good pickup, they've got 2nd and 4. We're through one quarter
Wow.
of this opening weekend of football. Neither
And they
side
have ball.
separating much so far. We'll make our return to Mercedes-Benz Stadium. After 2nd quarter, all queued up and ready to go. It's Steeler football. They're looking at 2nd and 4. It's Pickens on the slant.
Can't let them get that yardage
And
like
they
that.
finally bring him down.
Just a bad,
It's a big gain and a new set of downs.
I don't really know, bad
Offense set
defense.
for a 1st and 10.
Can't let them get that pass. We gotta be there.
From the red zone now.
Gotta be there.
Pass brought in.
Not let them get
And tackle
that
stops
completion.
after a solid gain. Halfway to the marker. It's 2nd and 5.
What? They always hold on to it. That's the thing.
And he has it down to the 8-yard line on the play. 1 yard, all that's needed. This is 3rd and inches.
Good. That was a good read.
They'll try to run it with Harris.
They're
He's
going
caught
for it.
behind the line for a loss. Looks like they will indeed try it. 4th and 2.
Wow.
Russ now from the gun.
Okay.
And they
The AI usually never goes for it, so I don't know what they were doing there. But, I mean, I'm happy I got the ball back.
cares. All they
So.
want to do is get off the field. Doesn't matter if it's a drop pass, flex or break up,
And a
interception.
tackle for a
For the
loss.
offense, get one
Wow.
more stop to get off the field.
Well, the running game's just not working.
Well, he was supposed to be the
They've
one who chipped away a
stuffed
few.
every
Got a
single
new
time.
set of downs started right in rhythm. Instead, he's now forced
Just
to
get some
pick himself
yardage.
from behind
There
the
we go.
line, thanks to a great effort defensively.
Pass is caught. That's Darnell Mooney. And a nice gain here, but it stopped short of the first. And the Steelers go in nickel. 3rd down.
Come on. No, not an overthrow.
Gun.
Can't be happening.
And they can't connect on the 3rd down deep shot. Love the courage they had to try it, but it's incomplete, and now we've got 4th down.
There we go. Got the first.
Trying for it with Penix.
Okay, we gotta go.
For the first.
I need this
Take it
touchdown.
down to the 24-yard line. They'll come up 1st and 10.
Come on.
They go play
There we go.
action. Here's Penix.
The catch by Kyle Pitts. That was a late throw.
Big catch is made, and he got the feet in too.
Why are they reviewing it?
Mike Tomlin never afraid to tell the officials how
That
he
was a
feels,
catch.
and he got
Yeah.
looking for
He was
here.
clearly
He
in
secured the
bounds.
catch
I don't know why
and
they would review
maintained
that.
it while also getting both feet down.
Yeah, this is why it's a perfect look. This is why teams scout body control and field awareness for these
Dang.
pass catchers. For
I just had to
moments
get
like
that out.
This, he did not have much margin for error, and it happens oh so fast. You need
My
to offer
line was
receivers
pretty
enough
good, so,
time to
I
get
mean,
open along their
it's
route.
TJ
Give the
Watt.
quarterback enough
That was
time
a
to
horrible
find
throw.
and hit them with the throw.
Oh,
Line
wow.
doesn't hold up, incomplete.
Horrible decision.
Tipped in, it's intercepted.
Just horrible.
Clean, and it
decision by me.
And the Steelers will take over as he records his first interception of our season.
Going down the middle, as you can see, you're giving them a real chance at making that.
Speaking of Thibodeau, see that Tom Thibodeau got fired?
You learn your lesson on that one.
The New York Knicks coach.
These balls caught by Pickens. And he has it down officially to the red zone at the 20. A big play, 23 yards to move those chains. Started a little slow, but we've arrived at the 2-minute warning. The Steelers driving. First down.
There we go.
Cross.
There we go.
And he goes
I
down.
don't think.
Falcons got to him. And a big play drives them backwards. Second down coming up.
I don't think Russell Wilson wants to be fighting with Grady Jarrett or whoever that was.
Another try following the sack. Gets this
Well,
one to
3rd and
Cordell
16.
Patterson.
Just
And
don't
he
let them
couldn't
score.
quite get the edge. He goes out of bounds and maybe gets back to the line.
Or just don't let them get.
Here
Yeah.
it is on 3rd and long.
I mean, just don't let them get the first down.
And what a play. He
God,
gets
they're
it away.
wasting
A
clock.
massive hit and stop him after that
They're
catch.
wasting
It's gonna be
the
4th down.
clock. That's my main loop.
Dicker connects there. And that one was hit great. It sails on through without incident.
You know, you look at that 3rd down play, looking back, and it really turns into a 3-point play. It's why situational work
Got to
is
the
so
30.
critical. Coaches
Okay.
talk about it all the time.
33
Sure, you
seconds
love the
left
field
and
goal,
got
but
to the
man,
30.
they would have loved a touchdown more.
And he gets across the 30 before he's brought down. Just over 30 seconds left in the half as they come to the line. The Falcons with the football late in the first half. Penix now on first down.
I thought it was gonna get over them.
Mistake. He's intercepted again.
I honestly thought it was gonna get over them.
Steelers are gonna have it after his second interception
Oh
of the
wow,
season.
this is a rough.
Markers
rough,
reset,
rough.
ball at the 37.
Oh wow. And I just let them score in seconds.
Everything he had into this one. It connects
Oh,
on the
wow.
deep shot. And got his man. That's a Pittsburgh touchdown. The Steelers will add to their lead at the end of the half. Mike Williams.
One
a
play
touchdown.
and 37 yards in 5 seconds they scored.
And the Steelers take a 3-possession
Oh my
lead.
god.
Now Boswell on to send this away. Return coming from the 6.
Okay, we got 17
They'll have
seconds.
decent field position to begin with here, Brock. He's tackled just beyond that 30-yard line. The Falcons offense returning to the field a final time before the half. They'll have to be quick about anything they want to do here. We're just moments away from halftime. Completes. It's Bijan Robinson.
Bench tag.
Gain up about a handful there. Patrick Queen arranging in for the tackle.
Okay.
Before halftime,
Oh
we
my
get a
god.
timeout taken.
They're leaving Ray McLeod on a streak.
He'll throw it.
They were until those guys
Left
came.
one fly deep downfield.
I don't want a shot
This
save
one falls
clock.
incomplete, so we're down to 4
I
seconds.
never
and we
shot
have
save
our
clock.
final snap.
That's a lie, but this is not the play that I
And it'll
wanted
be
to do.
3rd and 5 coming up. All right, this is going to be the play that takes us to halftime. Just before halftime, we get a timeout taken.
I want to do this play.
Here
Come on.
comes the final play of our first half.
Safety, leave them alone.
A final throw before the break.
Okay, the safety left them alone, but wasn't far enough to get the tutty. We get the ball at half, though.
Now we'll get you down to our Orlando
Which is
studios
nice.
for the EA Sports Halftime Report with Jonathan Coachman.
All right, Kate, thanks very much. Welcome aboard to you and Brock. And to you at home as we take you around the NFL here on NFL Kickoff Weekend 2024. We'll get started over at the Superdome in New Orleans. And it's the
Okay.
Saints who have the lead. In
Well,
the
they're
second
getting
quarter.
Panthers are getting blown out just like I am.
Well, the teams are ready, the fans are ready. Let's give them
Okay,
but what
return
they're
middle.
here for. We'll jump past halftime and get right back to the game.
Get
We'll see
rid of
what
there.
the first half
Come on.
adjustments of the season are as they're
Return
teeing
this
up,
like a
and away
good
we
boy.
go in our second half.
Okay.
On the return, here's
We didn't
Ravens
get to the
McLeod.
30, we got to the 25 at least. Got to the 29, actually. I'm gonna try running. It hasn't worked all game.
Drive starts out with a 1st and 10.
Yeah, it just isn't working at all.
Drive begins with a run. It's Robinson. And he's able to manage a couple on that run.
It's working to get like 2-3 yards.
But if you see a bigger play on the ground later on, largely be because of a play
But
just
not
like that
to
one,
get, like, a
softening up
first
the field
down.
and opening the door for a bigger gap in the future.
And it's
Right
good
here,
yardage, but they tackle
whole
it
zone
for
is red.
3rd and a lone yard coming
But it
up.
doesn't matter.
Here's Robinson up the middle. And
Hey,
he's brought
messing up
down
my
after
way.
a nice
My-
gain and a 1st down.
Win the early battle. Get a little leverage. Low man wins off the line.
Hopefully that happens again.
To ensure
Hopefully
that
there's a
first down
huge
right
hole.
there.
Football on that 47-yard line. 1st
Okay.
down.
We got a couple yards. Got 10 yards.
And they make
As a
the
matter
stop,
of
we're gonna say
fact.
about the 37-yard line.
Well, that doesn't net a first down. You get yards like that in the run game, you will take it in the NFL.
Dang. I was expecting him to cut more vigorously
He had it for a moment, but a great
and to lose his defender
incomplete.
there.
Pass didn't work on 2nd. Let's see how that affects this 3rd down.
There we go. Touchdown. Touchdown. Please, 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 please. Touchdown. There we go.
Throw reeled in
I'm
by
gonna go for
London.
2.
Touchdown, Atlanta.
Just because,
Cut into the lead
yeah, I'm
coming
down
into
by
halftime.
11.
Drake London with the touchdown.
And if I get a 2, I'm only down by 9.
Staying on the field, lining up to go for 2.
Here we go.
He's throwing
Let's
for it.
go.
And this is going to be caught, getting aggressive as they trail in this game, and that takes them 2 points closer. So we've got ourselves a 9-point game now as they'll kick this off.
What am I doing?
Calvin
Okay.
Austin on the return.
One of our
And he's
players
gonna
is
make this to the
hurt.
28
Okay,
before going
just
down.
great.
They're signaling for a
Back on
substitution.
defense. Gotta
Player
score.
injured after that
Or
snap. Not
gotta
what they wanted to
stop
see
them
in
from
week
scoring.
1 as their medical staff heads out to check on him. First down
Come
throw for
on.
Wilson.
There we go.
Escapes the pocket. And they get to him as he was trying to make something happen. And a big play drives them backwards.
Dislocated shoulder. Okay. They've got Cordell Patterson. There we go. No first down, no first down.
Following the sack.
Blitz, blitz,
Gonna be
blitz,
caught
blitz.
by Washington. And it's a nice gain, but
I
still
didn't
not enough
blitz
for the
there.
first. Battle coming up on 3rd and inches.
There we go. Hey, that's 2 good reads in one game.
Oh, he gets clobbered behind the line. On 4th down, it's
Wait, I need to
Forrest
go
Whitman on for the Steelers to punt this away.
Okay. PA dagger.
Coverage team is there as he fields it, so almost nothing on that return.
Will it be a
before he
dagger
stops.
to the heart? Probably not.
Falcons and Drake London headed back out onto the field. They're 1 for 1 so far to begin the new NFL season. Touchdown on their opening drive.
Okay.
Let's see if they have 2 for 2 in them. Able to hit Robinson, complete. And they
Mesh
catch up to him, but
box.
not until he's got a huge gain and a 1st down.
That Drake London
Great
looks
start to the
open,
drive.
but it
They're up
isn't.
in the neighborhood of midfield after just 1 play. On 1st
Oh.
down, here's Penix.
Oh wow, I threw that way too late.
Oh, brother, it's another interception.
No.
And he makes the
They're going for
It's a
2?
touchdown on the pick 6. So the defense scores, and now their offense coming out for 2 more. Tight end in motion left. Wilson's throwing for it. And he will get into the end zone. They go for
Now
two,
they're
and
up by
that gives them a
17.
three-score advantage. All right, partner. It's only one extra point on the scoreboard, but come on. If you're the team who just turned it over, how much worse
Well,
is it
we
for
have
them
to
have
score here.
two there
It's
instead of just the
no
extra point?
question. Have to. Have to score. I just said score. Have to score.
They're out and set. 1st and 10.
Who's guarding him?
Fresh off the pitch,
I know
here's
that there was only 4 people rushing.
holding up.
That was a
There's
5th
run.
person.
And the big play drives them backwards. 2nd down.
Who's
coming up.
man?
Play action. Here's Penix.
Wow. Middle, high,
Made the
low.
throw as he was
I
getting
got
hit,
to.
Brock, and it's incomplete.
3rd and
That
23.
one intended for Drake London. So they're left facing 3rd and long.
Oh my god. Bad
Penix here
pass.
from the gun.
Bad
He lines it
pass.
up, looking deep to the right side.
I'm not punting.
Defender arrives right as the ball does, and the hit knocks it free. Incomplete. Tough one to retain through
I
that
never
hit.
punt.
And that brings up 4th and long. Trying for it with Penix.
Wow. Okay, I think it's safe to say that I lost this game.
Force a change in possession. Offense ready to begin this drive. 1st and 10. Here's Wilson.
If they score here, I'm just gonna super sim the rest of the game.
Kid, I can't tell you how good that is. Anticipating the outcut, having the ball on the way before the receiver's head even turns, he puts it on him so that receiver can easily get out of bounds for the nice gain.
Well,
This is Harris on 2nd
I'm
down.
absolutely helpless.
And he gets into the end zone. Touchdown,
I
Pittsburgh.
have no help towards
The
this team.
Steelers
I think they'd do
lead
better
on
if I
final
wasn't
play of the 3rd. Najee
Wow.
Harris, the touchdown.
If I wasn't using them, I think they play better.
Flag down on the field. I think they're going to get him for hitting the kicker. Well, I'd say some frustrations at the deficit bleeding over onto the field as they get
Yeah.
rung up for the personal foul.
Yeah, I totally agree.
I'm just super simming the whole entire thing. Or just to the end of the game. Because, I mean, scored 1 more touchdown, got a 2-point conversion, but
So the Steelers come in and take this on the road.
that doesn't help.
And they're one of the fortunate teams to begin the season with a 1-0 record. So far, so good to begin this new campaign.
Okay, continue. Yes, Michael Penix, you need something. You need to get better. Okay. Well, after that, that's a pretty bad loss to the Steelers. They doubled the score of ours. And I'll see you again in another video for week 2 of this Falcons rebuild thing until they win a Super Bowl. Bye.